after Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal claimed that Prime Minister Modi will finish Chief Minister Yogi's career. UP CM Yogi Adityanath has hit back and said that he is a yogi without any personal ambition. The remark was clearly aimed as a counter to Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal's claims that if Prime Minister Narendra Modi wins a third term, Adityanath would be removed as Chief Minister. My colleague Vrishali Kadam with us on the broadcast. Vrishali, a big statement there made by Arvind Kejriwal. He's stirred a controversy by saying that Yogi Adityanath will be removed by Prime Minister Modi in his third term. But Yogi Adityanath countering that at a rally in Uttar Pradesh.
Well, this is something that, they're trying to build up, be it Arvind Kejriwal or Uddhav Thackeray over here in Mumbai, making this allegation that post 4th June situation will be very much different, and this time a lot of changes that will happen and will break the BJP. This is what even the Arvind Kejriwal has to sense, while, making such statement, and the same with Mr. Thackeray in Mumbai. So somewhere the India Alliance partners are trying to create the ambience that there is no coordination, or there is the race which is going on with the BJP, and that's why the lot of repercussions will take place post 4th June, post the results will come out. So certainly these kind of statements are coming up because the 5th phase is on the verge. People are going to vote in that phase, and it is said that this phase will be very decisive, because this phase will decide the fate on the final phase, because we have seen that the voters turnout was not that great in last 4 phases. So all the eyes are on the 5th phase, and to distract or to disturb or to create some sort of confusion within the voters' mind, these kind of statements are being made by the opposition partners.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.